Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
Okay guys, as you can see, I'm about to start washing Milani's hair. Her hair is very tangled from a week of a wash and go. You know, she's a little girl, she jumps around everywhere, so her hair gets pretty tangled, and it's cold outside, so it makes her hair really dry and her hair gets tangled so fast. And I'm just wetting her hair, getting it a little bit wet for me to apply the shampoo. Right now I'm applying this silicone mix shampoo. It's really good. It makes the hair feel soft and moisturized. I really love it, and it smells so good. I love this shampoo. I only wash her hair once because she gives me a really hard time being in that position. She's always complaining, and everything she's talking right now, like she's just complaining that she just don't want to be there. That's what she's doing during the whole video. So that's why I just gotta give her one wash and make this quick. So now I'm rinsing the shampoo out her hair. After I rinsed it all out, I'm applying this Effigy moisturizing conditioner stuff that I really don't like. It didn't do anything to her hair. It smelled good, that's it, but it didn't do anything to her hair. Dry as it was, as it looked. So thank God I just purchased this little pack to try it out, because if I would have bought the whole bottle and I would have not liked it, I would have been pissed. So yeah, I will not be buying this again. So I would just be massaging this all through her hair, trying to see if it can do something, but it really didn't. So I'm about to show you guys the technique that I use to remove tangles, 80% of the tangles of her hair. So I just separate them like that. I open the hair, open it up, open the tangles up, and they like really come out with my hands. So as I go through all her hair, I just keep opening these tangles up, not letting them be in a little ball. So I just open the little ball of tangles up. You'll see what I'm doing. This is the key to detangling her hair faster. Once I separate the tangles, there's no more tangles. Because her hair is very matted, as you can see. That's why I don't like doing wash and goes in the winter. They're so drying for her hair. But in the summer, they're okay. Her hair doesn't get as tangled and frizzy and dry. So I just keep opening these tangles up. You know, you see how the tangles come down and they go away as I open them. So right now, this is the lifesaver, the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine for unmanageable hair. This thing moisturizes her hair and makes it so soft, and it smells good. But I would never change this conditioner for another conditioner because I really love this conditioner on her hair. It moisturizes and defines her curls and makes it easier to detangle. Makes it really soft. As you guys can see, as I massage it in her hair, it starts moisturizing it. Doesn't look as dry as it looked before. Look how moisturized her curls are. Like, it's already defining the curls. Look, you see? That's what I'm talking about. So now this is the process of detangling her hair. So you start all the way from the very ends and work your way up. This is the part where she gives me such a hard time because she's always moving her head. She doesn't keep her head on one. She doesn't keep her head steady. Like, she just lets it go. Like, if I'm moving the brush, she moves her head with the brush. Like, she doesn't make her head firm. So she makes this really, 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 really hard. If she was to just keep her head firm, this would be pretty much faster for me to do. You already can see how defined the other little piece of curls that I did are. I really love this conditioner. It makes her hair so soft. Look at the definitions in her curls. It's so beautiful. I wish I had her hair. So I'm almost done. You see the definitions in her curls are so pretty. She's already crying because she wants to get down, and she's telling me she's gonna want to go watch TV. She hates getting her hair detangled, but it's something you gotta deal with when you're a little girl and you have long hair. She is so tender-headed, just like me. Any little pull, I'll just be screaming. You see how she doesn't keep her head steady? She just like lets it go with the brush. But as you guys can see, her curls in the back, they're so defined, so pretty. I love her curls. God should have given me her hair. Oh yeah, look, it's very easy to detangle her hair. It's just that she makes it so hard. I'm pretty much done. I'm just going through all of her hair, making sure the tangles were gone. And this is the final result. Her hair is very defined. The curls are beautiful. They're shiny. They're soft. And right now I'm just gonna style her hair. I'm gonna put some braids in her hair because I'm not gonna deal with curly hair and tangled hair again. So this is the final hairstyle that I did. I did some box braids, put some little beads in it. If you guys want to see how I did that, don't forget to subscribe so you can see my next video. Comment and like. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed doing this video for you guys. Bye.